In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Figma AI to speed up your workflow, making your design experience more efficient and streamlined. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to the Figma website. For those of you unfamiliar, Figma is a powerful collaborative interface design tool that lets you and your team bring design ideas to life. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your account, getting access to all your files and projects. If you haven't signed up yet, it's a straightforward process and worth the few minutes it takes to do so. Logging in ensures you have everything at your fingertips ready for when inspiration strikes or deadlines loom. Now once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the Figma homepage. This is where you'll see your recent files and any designs you've collaborated on with others. From here, your next step is to navigate to the design section. This is your creative playground where all your design elements and tools are laid out for you to explore. Following this, we're going to move to something called the Action menu. Think of this as your control center, where actions, tools, and plugins, including Figma AI, are accessible. Clicking on Action opens up a variety of options that can help you tackle different phases of your design process, from tweaking layouts to adjusting styles. Now, to harness the power of AI in your designs, you'll need to search for AI within this menu. Simply enter AI in the search bar provided. This will help you locate Figma's AI functionalities quickly without having to wade through lists of tools and options. Finally, once you've found the AI feature you're looking for, click on the Run option to activate it. Running AI features can provide a range of enhancements, from generating design suggestions to automating repetitive tasks, thereby saving you time and allowing you to focus on creativity. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you'll be leveraging the power of Figma AI within your workflow, conducting design tasks with greater efficiency. Remember, integrating AI tools not only helps streamline your process, but also opens up new avenues for creative exploration. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful in navigating and utilizing Figma AI. Don't forget to experiment with different tools and features within Figma, and let us know in the comments about your experiences or any tips you'd like to share. Hit like and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials just like this one. Until next time, happy designing.